And here we go, Phillip steps up. Well, nice shoulders, can he square this away? Oh, and it's over!
Running the game now, foot on the gas, get slowed down.
So you want to make money as a filmmaker,
We know we running it.
but you have no idea where to start. Well, I'm here to tell you how, and that you can do it from anywhere in the world. I'm in Bali right now, and my friends Kat, Silke, Ethan, Darren, and myself wanted to make a spec ad. And what is a spec ad? A spec ad, short for speculative advertisement, is a non-commissioned commercial. The whole idea was to make a sport clothing spec ad with local players. And how do we get them? Well, Kat, that absolute legend, contacted a local orphanage. Bought a bunch of jerseys, some chocolate, and promised the kids a good time. And from here on out, we were just winging it. All of that sounded so wrong.
What's happening?
We're about to do a spec ad. Idea was Cats actually. We're gonna do a little Adidas spec ad, sports clothing brand, where you get a bunch of kids, do a little football sequence. And we just got here to this orphanage, and the plan is now to grab about 8 kids or so. We order a couple of grabs, put them in the cars, and drop them off at the location where we're gonna shoot. This is turning out into a really complicated mission because obviously there's a lot of traffic. We don't know how long the cars are gonna take. Nobody's gonna sit in the car with the kids, which is kind of like sketch. But yeah, we're trying our best right now.
Small team, big dream.
Small team, big dream.
What's happening?
We're planning which children we're taking into our SUV.
How are we deciding that?
Cat's in charge.
How many can we fit?
4.
Only 4?
Do everything.
They're tiny.
Yeah. Just stack them.
We need
Rules in Bali.
we need like 12.
12 kids?
Yeah, 6v6 would be sick. I'm gonna follow the kids on my bike to the field.
No context sounds a little crazy there.
That's
Hello. Darren.
You? What?
Darren.
Darren.
What's your name?
Me, Justin.
Justin.
Yeah. Justin Bieber. What's your name?
Phillip, nice to meet you, bro.
What?
Phillip.
Phillip.
Phillip, yeah.
Justin.
Justin, nice to meet you, bro. You got a crazy accent. Man. Accent is almost American.
Almost American.
Not gonna lie, this was a very hectic and confusing start. And as you can see, some of us were actually following the cars so we can make sure that the kids are getting there safe and sound.
First batch of kids have arrived.
First batch, don't say it like that.
No, this is the second batch. We're the first.
Where's the first batch?
Where are the kids? In there?
I'm responsible for 5
Can you get
of
them
them
over here somehow?
in that field. Yeah, I can try.
Yeah.
I can try.
Okay, so it's already pretty late. I don't know if we're gonna make it, but like if you can see, like the sun, like setting almost there. So we have maybe like half an hour left. So I don't know.
Yes, I got them
We got
all
them.
organized, all 5.
Yo, Justin. My G.
Yeah,
What's your name?
yeah, Melky.
Milky?
Melky, yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, good.
As you can see, we started to become a big fan of Justin, which is why we decided to make him our main character in our spec ad. So after giving out the jerseys and some fan photos,
What just happened?
She said I'm handsome.
it was finally time to shoot.
Thank you, brother.
What's your name? David, I want to.
Alright, we just concluded our shoot. That was hectic, not gonna lie. We barely had any golden hour. It was super stressful, but I think we got most of the shots done. Obviously, like every other shooting project, you don't always get the best shots, but it is what it is. I think we still managed to get like the most out of it. The crew is satisfied, I'm pretty satisfied, and now we just have to go into the cave and see what we can do with it. Let's make some magic, man.
What Phillip said.
But before we headed home, we obviously wanted to make sure that the kids are getting paid.
We told them to buy whatever they wanted in the Indomart. They're so excited. It's so
They're
cute.
quite excited.
They're really excited. They don't even know what to get. It's kind of funny. They're like, what do we do? Justin's going in. What is Justin? Oh, Justin got a Coke Zero.
What are you guys there? Coke Zero. Let's go.
Oh, brand deal.
Whoa, Justin.
What are you getting there? What is that?
Sama keren. Sama yuk. Coba.
What is that?
Bisa buat skateboard. Ya.
Alright, that was a complete raw insight on how you can make a spec ad happen even if you're abroad or have nowhere else to go. Making the whole thing was a lot of fun, so even though we didn't get all the shots we wanted, we still had a good time. We made a few friends, made some kids happy, and definitely improved as creatives. Anyway, I think that's it for me, so the only thing that's left is showing you what I came up with. Roll the clip!
Phillip steps off.